That was for the wife. You know that kiss the wife for me thing? Hey guys, how are you, bunch of flabby ass schmucks? Jim Bowers back at you here. And we're out here today because I want to dispel all the damn rumors and hearsay and uneducated opinions about flying your drone. Especially when it comes to where you can fly it, when you can fly it, etc. Can you fly around high power lines? Of course you can. Can you fly around a transformer? Yes, you can. I'm gonna prove it to you because I decided I was just gonna go out and friggin' well do it. I've been flying around power lines and transformers and cell phone towers for 4.5 years, never had a single issue. One thing you do want to keep an eye on, solar activity. Watch the solar index because I do think that there's some credibility there to solar flares and electromagnetic interference messing with your compass. So if the solar index gets way up there, you might want to consider grounding your drone. But for today, we're just gonna get out there, we're gonna put it up close and personal with heavy metal, with electromagnetism, with high power lines, with cell phone frequencies. We're just gonna freaking well do it. So you know, don't worry about it. Just get out there and have some fun. Use some common sense. I'm not saying this is the best idea, but if you happen to be flying out there and you look over your shoulder and you see a transformer behind you 50 yards, don't worry about it. Just go and fly. Don't fly right up to it like I'm going to do to prove my point, but just have a good time. That's what drones are for, is to have fun responsibly, all right? So I'm just gonna show it to you. Take from it what you will, and we'll see what we get. All right, let's go. Now, I'm not telling you to do the same thing that I just did. I just wanted to prove a point that you don't need to freak out and worry about all the hearsay and the uneducated opinions and all that kind of thing out there from guys that are just, panicked all the time about flying their drone. The number one thing you need to remember is don't worry all the time. So fly responsibly. Don't do what I just did and fly right up to a transformer or a cell phone tower. I just did it to prove a point. We've got a couple of things on their way to me right now. One is the unique Wizard Wand. We're going to get that here in a day or two. That's that little remote control that you point at your drone and it takes off. You point over there and your drone flies over there, and it's a little Wizard Wand. You can fly your drone anywhere you want without your radio controller in your hand. You just point the Wizard Wand and the drone flies to that point in the sky. So we're going to review that. It's out and you can order it at acesdeals.biz. And Peter is also sending me a new drone that you might want to pick up for your kid. This drone has wheels on it, so you can drive it down the street doing 25 miles an hour, then hit the throttle and take off down the road. So we're going to play with that and have a little bit of fun. All right, you guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to Demunseed and then go on over to www.acesdeals.biz and subscribe to Peter's newsletter over there, because him and I are giving away, here it is, a 3DR X8 Plus on December the 1st. We're going to pick a random subscriber just completely out of the hat, and we're going to send you that $1,400 drone on December the 1st. So click the subscribe button down below, leave a comment, and tell me how stupid I was for flying around this stuff. Hell, I don't give a crap. All right, you guys. Hey, don't forget to kiss the damn wife for me. And as always, make it a sloppy one. All right, you guys. Have a good evening. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.